Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tahura Firdaus. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Botany, JT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Today we will discuss about corolla. It is the second whorl of a flower and made up of petals. The petals are generally brightly colored and attractive in some plants. The bright color of petal is due to presence of pigments like anthocyanin, anthocyanthine, beta-cyanin and carotenoids. The petals protect stamens and carpels when flower is in bud condition. The corolla may be actinomorphic or zygomorphic. When petals are free, corolla is known as polypetalous, for example mustard. When petals are united, it is called gamopetalous, for example datura. The scaly or hairy outgrowths produced from the petals constitute corolline corona, for example passion flower. इसके बाद फॉर्म्स ऑफ करोला ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ शेप एंड ट्री और यूनाइटेड कंडीशन करोलाज आर ऑफ फॉलोइंग टाइप्स इनफंडिबुलिफॉर्म पैपिलियोनेशियस कंपेन्युलेट बायलैबिएट रोटेट ट्यूबुलार लिग्यूलेट स्पर्स्ड क्रूसीफॉर्म। सबसे पहले देखेंगे पॉलीपेटलस मतलब पेटल्स जब फ्री रहेंगी। इट मे बी रेगुलर फॉर्म्स लाइक क्रूसीफॉर्म कैरियोफाइलेसियस रोजेसियस और इरेगुलर फॉर्म लाइक पैपिलियोनेशियस। फर्स्ट आता है क्रूसीफॉर्म करोला, इसको बोलते हैं क्रॉस लाइक। द करोला इज पॉलीपेटलस एंड एक्टिनोमॉर्फिक. It consists of four clawed petals which are arranged in form of cross. The limbs are at right angles to the claws. This type of corolla is characteristic feature of family Cruciferae, for example mustard. उसके बाद आता है पैपिलियोनेशियस करोला, इसको बटरफ्लाई लाइक करोला भी कहा जाता है। द करोला इज पॉलीपेटलस एंड ज़ाइगोमॉर्फिक cut in one plane. It consists of 5 free unequal petals. They overlap each other in a particular manner. The outermost largest posterior petal is called stander or vexillium. The two small lateral petals partially covered by stander are known as wings or alae. The remaining two innermost smallest anterior petals are called neel or carina. These two petals are united to form boat-shaped structure. It encloses stamens and carpels. It shows maxillary estivation. It is characteristic of Papilionaceae family. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पी क्लाइटोरिया। उसके बाद देखेंगे गैमोपेटलस मतलब जब पेटल्स यूनाइटेड रहेंगे तो उसमें कौन कौन से फॉर्म के करोला आते हैं। इट मे टेक वैरायटी ऑफ फॉर्म्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल इनफंडिबली फॉर्म बायलैबिएट ट्यूबुलार कंपेन्युलेट रोटेट परसोनेट एट्सेट्रा। फर्स्ट आता है इनफंडिबली फॉर्म और फनेल शेप्ड करोला। The corolla is gamopetalous and actinomorphic. It has a tube which is narrow at base and expands towards with spreading limbs, resulting into a funnel-like appearance. For example, datura, ipomia. इसके बाद आता है bilabiate और two-lipped corolla. The corolla is gamopetalous and zygomorphic. It consists of 5 unequal petals which are united to form a short tube with an upper and lower lips. The upper, larger posterior lip is formed by the fusion of two lobes. The lower, smaller anterior lip is formed by the fusion of three lobes. The corolla give two-lipped appearance, hence named as two-lipped corolla. For example, salvia, ocimum, leucas. इसके बाद थर्ड है ट्यूबुलार करोला। Regular gamopetalous corolla with their petals fuse to form a tube, as in disc florets of composite, for example sunflower. Campanulate corolla, it is bell-shaped regular gamopetalous corolla, for example Campanula physalis. इसके बाद देखेंगे significance of corolla. The corolla lobes are brightly colored, which attracts insects and birds for cross-pollination. The petals protect inner whorls, therefore stamens and carpels when flower is in bud condition. This is for today. Thank you for listening me.